Hello students, how are you all? Myself Ankita Best, and today we are going to start reading our new chapter of class 5th. Subject is English. Name of the chapter is The Wizard of Oz. So students, this chapter is basically a play which is based on a popular American novel named The Wizard of Oz. In this play, a little girl named Dorothy get lost in a strange land. So let's read how she faces unfamiliar and difficult situations there. So students, as I have earlier mentioned that this chapter is a play, so there are some characters also. Let's know what are these characters. These characters are narrator, Dorothy a little girl, Good Witch of the North, Toto, Dorothy's dog, Scarecrow, Tin Man, Lion, Wizard of Oz, Wicked Witch of the West, Winged Monkeys, Good Witch of the South. So these are the main characters of this play. This play is divided into different scenes. So we will read these scenes one by one. Here, let's start reading this play. First, narrator is talking. She lived with her uncle and aunt in the Kansas prairies. What is Kansas prairies? Kansas prairies is the state of United States. Kansas is a state in the United States of America. It is covered by prairies. Prairies means a vast stretches of grassland. They are suitable for agriculture. So students, Dorothy lived with her uncle and aunt in the Kansas prairies. Now let's see what happened next. One day, Dorothy and her dog Toto were playing inside the house when a large tornado appeared. What is tornado? A tornado is a violent storm with strong circular winds. It can be very dangerous as it can break apart buildings, knock down trees, and even toss cars into the air. Tornadoes look like funnel or wedges. So, Dorothy and her dog Toto were playing. Then suddenly a tornado appeared. It picked the house right up its foundation with Dorothy and Toto still inside. After several miles, the house landed with a crash. Now, let's move to our first scene. What happened in this scene? Narrator. After the crash, Dorothy walks to the doors and find herself in a strange land. Standing before her is a crowd of tiny people called the Munchings. The Munchings seem very happy to see Dorothy. Now the conversation starts between Dorothy and the different people. Good Witch of the North. I am the Good Witch of the North. We would like to thank you for killing the Wicked Witch of the East. Dorothy. What do you mean? I haven't killed anyone. The Good Witch of the North says, Look there, can you see those 2 feet in silver shoes sticking out? Your house landed on the top of the Wicked Witch of the East. We had been the witch's slaves for years. Today you have rid us of the witch and we are free. Handing over the silver shoes, the Good Witch of the North says, Here, take the silver shoes of the Wicked Witch of the East. They are yours now. They are magical. Dorothy, oh, thank you so much. The shoes fit me perfectly. Does anyone know how I can get back to Kansas? Everyone shakes their head. Good Witch of the North. We haven't heard of Kansas. Maybe the Wizard of the Oz can help you. He lives in the Emerald City. Dorothy, how can I reach the Emerald City? Good Witch of the North. Follow, follow, follow. Follow the yellow brick road. Narrator. The little munchings lead Dorothy to the yellow brick road. She waves goodbye and skips down the road with Toto. So now our scene first is complete. So what happened in this scene? In this, when the house crashed, Dorothy found herself in a strange land. In front of it, there are several little people who are called Munchings with a good witch of a north. They talk to each other, and Dorothy finds that the wicked witch of the east is accidentally killed by his house. In return of the thanks, she gets the magical pair of silver shoes. She asks the path from the good witch of the north, and she said that you have to follow the yellow brick road. So let's see what happened in next scene. Narrator. After a while, Dorothy reaches a cornfield and stops to rest. Close by a pole is a scarecrow, put there to frighten away the birds. Scarecrow. Hello, Dorothy. Did you speak? Scarecrow. Yes. How do you do? And who are you? Dorothy. I am Dorothy, and this is my dog Toto. We are from Kansas. We are going to meet the Wizard of Oz. Scarecrow. I am a scarecrow. I have been stuffed with a straw and have no brains. I do wish I had some. So, what happened next? Dorothy, would you like to come with us? Scarecrow. Yes. Dorothy, help him climb down the pole. Let's go. Narrator, the scarecrow comes down and they go off together. So, student, now we have completed our scene 2 also. Let's move what happened next in the scene 3. Narrator, soon Dorothy and the scarecrow come to a patch of trees where they hear a noise. In the middle of the trees is a man made of tin. He stands motionless with an axe in his hand. Dorothy, did you say something? Tin Man, yes, please. Bring me some oil. Narrator. Dorothy finds some oil and oils the Tin Man from head to toe. Tin Man, thank you. I had been out chopping down trees some time ago when it suddenly started to rain. Before I could get out of the rain, I was rusted badly and could barely move. I'd have stayed here forever if you haven't come along. Say, why are you here? Dorothy, we are going to meet the Wizard of Oz. Tin Man, do you think the wizard could give me a heart? Scarecrow, maybe he can. Would you like to join us? Tin Man, yes, I will come with you. Narrator, Dorothy, the Scarecrow, and the Tin Man set off together and traveled for many miles. So now let's move to our next scene, which is scene number 4. What happened in this scene? Narrator. The traveler now reached a thick forest. Suddenly, a furious lion leaps on the path with a loud roar. He pushes the scarecrow and then jump on the tin man. As the beast opens his mouth, Dorothy rushes forward and punches the lion on the nose. Dorothy, you big beast, you are out to be ashamed of yourself. You are nothing but a big coward. Lion, rubbing his nose and almost crying. I know I am coward, but I can't help it. Dorothy, oh, I am sorry. Please don't cry. I just can't understand how a lion like you is a coward. Lion, I was born that way. I wish to have courage so I could be the king of beasts. Dorothy, come with us to the Wizard of Oz. I am sure the wizard will give you courage, Dorothy, the Scarecrow and Tin Man and the Lion. Oh, we are off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Now they are singing along and traveling along. So, students, now we have completed our 4 scenes of this play. What happened in these scenes? Dorothy finds herself in a strange land in front of tiny people called Munchkins. Later, she got to know that accidentally she killed the Wicked Witch of the East, and in return, she get a pair of magical silver shoes. She asks for the help to get back her home to the Good Witch of the North. In reply, she said that she is unable to send back her home. Maybe the Wizard of Oz can help. You have to follow the yellow brick road to reach to the Emerald City where the Wizard of Oz live. Later, she meet with Tin Man, Scarecrow, and Lion too. Later, they joined her to reach to the Wizard of Oz to fulfill their desires. So now, students, we have completed 4 scenes. I hope you understand these scenes. Later, we will complete the rest of the scenes. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.